On problems like this, plugging them into your calculator and getting an answer is simply not going to work. You can use that method to check, but many times you need exact answers and you won't get exact answers when you just plug it into your calculator. So I'm going to show you how to do this for that reason. Now, what I want you to notice here is that this negative is out front and it's not enclosed in parentheses. Number 11 has a negative that's enclosed in parentheses. Notice the difference between those two, okay? The other thing I want you to notice is that we've got this negative in the exponent here, which is just not convenient to work with. So we're going to take care of that by putting all of this in the denominator. And this negative right here, I'm putting out, this negative right here, I'm putting out front here, okay? So now I have 64 to the 2/3 power, okay? Continue to copy as I go here. I know that another way to write this is 1 over 64 to the 1/3 squared. Okay, do you see that? That's just basically undoing the power rule, because a power raised to a power is multiplied, so I just broke those two up. Now we can continue by saying that if we know 64 to the 1/3 is the same as the cubed root of 64, and I'm hopeful that you can tell what that is just by looking at it, but if you can't, you can enter the cubed root of 64 into your calculator to figure it out, but that's a 4, okay? So now we have negative 1 over 4 squared. Do you see how this negative has just come tagging along every single time? Now this means 4 to the second power. It does not mean negative 4 squared, okay? Because if it would mean negative 4 squared, that would be positive 16, but it's not. So that means our final answer is still negative 1 over 16, and that's your final answer.